In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can use clipboard option on your Windows laptop and PC. Using clipboard, you can access your copied history and manage it easily. So first of all, click on Windows Start menu and search here Setting. Open Settings. In the left hand panel menu, click on Systems. Now scroll down slightly. Here as you see clipboard option, just click on that. To enable clipboard option, just turn on this toggle. Now close this window. Now to access clipboard, press Windows key plus V. Now if you copy multiple item in your keyboard, copy some text multiple times. Now press Windows V to open clipboard. Here as you see, all the copied saved clipboard. To use clipboard on your Windows device, just press Windows V. Here as you see clipboard option. Now to use copy and paste, just click on this, then it will automatically paste. In this way, you can enable clipboard option on your Windows device and use clipboard. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.